Accompong Chief Richard Currie has refused an offer from Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness to deploy members of the military in the Maroon community to help with reconstruction efforts. The Prime Minister made the offer to the Maroon community in St. Elizabeth during a tour on the weekend. And it is estimated that 80% of 260 homes in Accompong were damaged by the storm. But in a post on social media today, Chief Currie argued that the leadership of the Accompong community cannot accept members of the military roaming the
Following
area.
a deep, comprehensive internal review and a formal deliberation, the full Maroon Council has this time decided not to accept the offer on the militarization of the space during the recovery effort. The full Maroon Council instead has resolved to continue with the response, utilizing civilian resources from our joining communities and our partners, both locally and internationally, who have offered to the community their assistance in the recovery efforts.
The Maroon chief says he and residents would still welcome the provision of materials and equipment from the government.
This decision is not a rejection of cooperation, nor does it diminish the appreciation of the humanitarian intent behind your offer. We again thank you. But rather, it reflects Accompong's capacity to manage its internal recovery efforts through established civilian channels and international collaborative efforts that have been ongoing since the impact of this storm.